Okay, initially I told you we will learn about classification. We learned about embedded computers. And today we want to learn about classifications of computers. Under classifications of computers, computers are classified according to how they perform or how they do their activities. One, we classify computer according to functionality. According to functionality is how computer perform and function, the way they function, they do their activities. That one it means under this, the way they do their activities, we say they're classified according to the functionality. And according to functionality, computers are classified into three main categories. We have analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computers. So under this, we want to discuss something about this classification of computers according to functionality. One, we want to start with analog computers. Under analog computers, these types of computers, they are only used to measure continuous variable qualities, like they only used to measure like qualities of, let me say, like temperatures, pressure, speed, weight. So those computers that are used to measure those ones, they are called analog computer. And they are set up and allowed to change freely according to their condition. This computer, they can change like temperature. When the temperature is high or low, they can still change according to that condition. So example of those computers, we have the thermometer, we have an anemometer, we have analog watches, we have barometer, the weather stations. When we use those one for weather stations, we're measuring the clinical, they all fall under the analog computers. We have what we call digital computers. These are computers that are mainly used for processing data, and they are mainly used for, they only use two numbers, the digital numbers 0 and 1. Example of this computer, we have the laptops, the desktops, the palm top, also we have got the palm top, we have the smartphones. There are so many types of computers. Then we have got what we call the hybrid computers. Hybrid computers, they have both characteristic of analog and digital computers, whereby they can measure and they can still do digital calculations. So those are what we call the digital, the hybrid computers. An example of hybrid computers, we have the automatic fuel pump. As you go to a fuel station to refill your motorbike, your car, with that pump that we use for refilling is an example of a hybrid computer. So under classification according to functionality, we have the analog, digital, and hybrid. The second classification, we classify computer according to size, the how big or how small computer are. So according to size, we have one, the supercomputer, which is the biggest computer, the mainframe computer, the mini computer, and lastly the microcomputer. So the supercomputers, as we want to learn, they are designed to carry out specific tasks, and they are mainly the largest computer that we are having. So example, we have got the automatic teller machine, traffic control computers, and washing machines. Those are, I'm sorry. So example of supercomputers, I'm sorry with that information, I gave out example special. Okay, example of supercomputers, they are the biggest and the largest computers in the world. And they are mainly designed to perform complex tasks. They have large storage capacity and they are used by specific people. Like they can be used for research on climate, weather forecasting, energy research, spaceship launching, and among so many. So those are mainly used by like government agencies that are the one that can afford to buy such like supercomputers. We have mainframe computers. These ones are smaller than the supercomputers, and they are also used for research purposes. They are smaller than the supercomputers. We have the mini computer, they are medium-sized computers, and they are mainly used for in industrial companies and for research centers. We have the last one, the microcomputers. These are the computers that we always use. Example, we have personal digital assistant, the PDA. We have the server, we have the workstation computer, we have the desktop, we have the smartphone. Those are example of mini microcomputers. We have classification according to purpose, the purpose they are designed to do. Under this one, we have got the general purpose computer and the special purpose computer. General purpose computer, these are computers that are designed to do general work, while special purpose computers are designed to do specific tasks. Like we learned about special, like ATM machine is an example of special purpose computer. We have learned like washing machine is an example of special purpose computer. And the example of general we have got like laptop is a general purpose computer, desktop, those are example. The smartphone are example of general purpose computers. So next time I would like you to view my video and enjoy my studies. I know you are enjoying it. Wherever you have a question, just come and ask. I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to help even your child, even the CBC, the curriculum, the junior high. I'm a teacher of computer and I'm teaching junior high, primary and secondary. So if you have any question about computer and studies, kindly reach out to me and I'll be ready to help you, to nurture you or to nurture the siblings. Have a nice day. Thank you.